What's going on, YouTube? Surreal Martin back with another video. I know I haven't posted any videos in a while, but just been a little busy with life. But if you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, turn on push notifications so you don't miss any videos as I upload new content. So this is a live trade. I figured I'll record this live trade for you guys. I am recording this while I am at work, which I thought would be dope. So this is a trade on US30. It is a 0.01 lot. And you can see the balance here. It's about 420 in the account, and currently we're at 530-ish on this one trade. So I'm right now, and I wanted to start recording this right when this next 30-minute candle was getting ready to pop. So let's see how this next 30-minute candle. I'm anticipating a move to the downside. So I'm anticipating that it's going to keep pushing lower, but we'll see because there's a lot of support in this area. And it's been a bit of a wash, but let's see how it pans out. If it starts to push too close to my stop loss that you see above here that's in profit, then I'll go ahead and jump out. But I think this is a pretty good trade. This is US30, 0.01 lot. I know a lot of people probably are a little bit more conservative, but being that this is a smaller account, I don't mind trading US30 and taking a little bit of risk. Obviously, you know, don't trade or do anything with money that you're not willing to lose. So I'm okay with this trade. I'm anticipating this next 30-minute candle to push lower just based on the volatility and what's going on right now. It is Friday. I don't usually trade on Fridays, but I seen the trade earlier, a little bit before, well, pre-market, a little bit before market open, and I decided to jump in. So soon here I'll be closing out this trade, but I figured I wanted to show you guys this live trade, and so you guys could check it out. So let's see what's going to happen here with this 30-minute candle. You can see I have a trend line down there at the 28, 420, 33 area. If it touches that trend line, then I'll go ahead and hop out. And make sure you guys subscribe, like the video. I'll start posting more of these live trades, and I think it'll be dope. But yeah, if we get that 30-minute candle to tap that trend line, then we'll hop out. If not, if it breaks back over 28.5, then I'll go ahead and hop out. But this live trade, I thought it'd be dope, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Come on, let's see if we can get that break. See if we get that break. Let's go to the hour chart. There's a little bit of a, you can see here, there's some congestion right here to the left. A little bit of resistance right here. So support, resistance making support right there. Yeah, let's get this push. Then I'll hop out this trade. This is actually my first live trade on the channel. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and looking forward to growing with you guys on this channel. Here we go. Come on. Just trying to break previous resistance and support. Come on. You know you want to do it. Just go ahead and do it so I can get out. Go on about my day. It's a Friday. I don't like really trading on Fridays, by the way. So, and that's something that I'm trying to start. I want to start doing that more often. Unless it's like an obvious, like just pattern or trade, but I do not like trading on Fridays just because it's choppy, it's a little freaky. So, but let's see here. If it starts moving up towards 28.5, then I'm out and I'll take my profits. Either way, I think it's still a good profit, but I'm anticipating this move to the downside. See if we can break. Let's get that break. Struggling a little bit to push back up, but let's get that break. It might just bounce off this previous support and resistance area. So, but like I said, I think it's pretty good profit so far. Like I said, the balance is 420. So far, we're up to 540 or so. So, yeah, it's trying to pop back up, but let's see. As you guys look up, you can see around 28,570.40. I have my stop set in profit. So either way, if it just happens to just go parabolic or something weird, sometimes it tends to do that. I'll get stopped out. But if we get up to 28.5 area, then I'll hop out. All right. I'm going to close it out. Let's see if I can get back to 100, and I'm out. Let's get back in the hundreds, and I'm out. There it is, guys. 102 bucks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And you can see here that my losses are very small. But yeah, hope you guys like the video. I will be posting more live videos, more live trades. Stay tuned. Turn on your push notifications. Leave a comment in the video under the video, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys think I'm risking too much. Are you more conservative? Just let me know. Looking forward to responding to you guys. Hope you guys like the video. Peace.